Well, I think what was important as we started to build the ballpark, we were kind of coming up to that professional baseball agreement between minor league baseball and Major League Baseball, and one of the biggest things was going to be facility requirements. So the lighting standards are obviously important. That's a requirement across all of minor league baseball in the next 3 years. The lighting standards are actually the same across the board now. So at all 4 levels in 3 years, they'll have to be at a certain lighting output that Major League Baseball requires. So it doesn't matter if you're a low A or a triple A, you have to be up to those standards. The fact that they can guarantee that the lighting levels are going to be up to the specifications and make all the adjustments without us having to worry about it, because Musco is going to take care of all that, because that's within the warranty, then it's well worth the investment of what we're going to do, because that's something that Major League Baseball grades us on.
The lighting throughout a game is incredibly important. So obviously our stadium, we have like the new LED high-tech lights. It's just more clear, I would say, and it's a lot more, yeah, just bright and clear.
Literally night and day, no pun intended. There's great visibility either on the field of play or in the areas that it's aimed, particularly in the concourse, and that's reassuring to have.
Yeah, I think at some other parks that we go to, there's definitely more of a glare. In some parks it's kind of dark too, where when I'm playing in the outfield, I almost have trouble picking the ball up off the bat. And here I've never had that issue. It's just perfect.
Catching wise, obviously, you know, if you have like good lights, that's gonna be a lot easier for you to recognize the pitch and, like, you know, not being like guessing, like if it's gonna be like bouncing or if it's gonna be like a short hop or anything like that. You know, here it's perfect. Like, can't complain about it. Like, super nice. I will say this, and it's kind of like a big league stadium right here.
And then you add in all the other cool things that you can do with the light shows and all those things. That just adds to the fan experience. People love it, you know. Having this lighting system and creating the light shows keeps the entertainment going. So I think all that stuff is important to what we're doing on the day-to-day from a player development standpoint and an entertainment standpoint. So, you know, they obviously looked at other manufacturers, see what they are, but, you know, Musco has such a big partnership with Major League Baseball because of their reliability that when you're making an investment this big, you have to go with a name that you know is going to work. That partnership with Major League and minor league baseball is there for a very long time, and I think ultimately when it comes down to it, when you're doing something like this, you want to go to reliability, and that's why we chose Musco over the other contractors.